Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make calcium powder from eggshells. First, gather your eggshells and wash them thoroughly under running water to remove any remaining egg white or yolk. This step is crucial for hygiene. Next, boil the clean shells in water for about 10 minutes. This sterilizes them completely. After boiling, spread them out on a clean towel or rack and let them air dry completely, ensuring no moisture remains before the next step. Once your eggshells are completely dry, it's time to bake them. Preheat your oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the dried shells on a baking sheet and bake them for about 10 to 15 minutes. This low-temperature baking makes the shells extremely brittle, which is essential for easy grinding. It also ensures any lingering bacteria are eliminated, making your calcium powder safe for consumption. Now for the exciting part, grinding. Transfer your brittle, baked eggshells into a clean coffee grinder or a high-speed blender. Process them until they transform into an incredibly fine, smooth powder. The finer the powder, the better it will be absorbed by your body. For an extra smooth consistency, you can sift the powder through a fine mesh sieve, regrinding any larger pieces. Finally, let's talk about storage and usage. Store your freshly made calcium powder in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. It can last for several months. For adults, a typical serving is about 1/2 teaspoon per day, providing a significant amount of dietary calcium. You can easily mix it into your morning smoothie, yogurt, or even sprinkle it over your meals without altering the taste.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.